guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you're wondering, what am I doing? What are you doing here?
Guys, it's a behind the scenes photo shoot, so you're gonna be able to see literally everything of it. Gonna get myself ready and we're gonna be ready to go. I am gonna film this. I am. But I feel cute. Just good lighting. We're gonna get my heels. We have my cocoa body gel, because you gotta have something for these legs. And some deodorant, because you don't want to be stained. It's sticky, guys. I hate it. I really do hate the product, like the way it feels. But I want to shine, okay? I want to shine. So we're just gonna apply this. That is the hardest part right now. So guys, my dad brought me. Say hi. Yes, they're tea. I'm gonna wear them. Okay guys, so we're here. We're live in action. We're here now. So it is. But we got it, guys. So we're here at the location now. There is the location. I know you're like, where are you at? Girl, I'm over here at a house. You won't even think it's a house. It's beautiful. Yeah, guys, like I was saying, really, he's a landscaper apparently. And look at that beautiful backyard, guys. That is where we're gonna be at. I mean, I like heels, but these are like really thin heel in the back.
You're probably the only one that I will be like, you say what you want and then I'll make it happen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like.
No, I went over there just to go to like look, and I never found the beach. I never found the beach, bro.
Okay guys, so I know you've seen all the clips.
Literally getting into my other dress. Oh my gosh, this was my hair the whole time. We're gonna get into the second dress. That bitch knew better than let me here. Going to second. We're almost done, guys.